The impact of cells on disease. A deeper dive. Introduction. Cells are the fundamental units of life, forming the building blocks of all living organisms. Their proper functioning is essential for maintaining health, while malfunctions at the cellular level can lead to a wide range of diseases. Understanding how cellular processes contribute to disease development is crucial for advancing medical research and treatment. This article explores the intricate relationship between cells and disease, highlighting recent breakthroughs in cellular biology and their implications for future medical advancements. Chapter 1. Understanding cells and their functions. Cells perform various functions that sustain life, from energy production to replication and immune defense. The human body contains trillions of cells, each specializing in different tasks. 1.1 types of cells. Cells in the human body can be categorized into several types, including 1. Epithelial cells. Line body surfaces and protect against pathogens. 2. Muscle cells. Enable movement and contractility. 3. Nerve cells. Neurons transmit electrical signals for communication. 4. Blood cells. Play roles in oxygen transport and immune defense. 5. Stem cells. Have the ability to differentiate into various cell types for repair and regeneration. 1.2 Cellular communication and signaling. Cells communicate through signaling pathways, which regulate their function in response to external stimuli. Key types of cellular signaling include 1. Autocrine signaling. The cell targets itself. 2. Paracrine signaling. Cells communicate with nearby cells. 3. Endocrine signaling. Hormones travel through the bloodstream to distant targets. 4. Neuronal signaling. Involves neurotransmitters transmitting signals across synapses. Disruptions in these signaling pathways can contribute to diseases such as cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Chapter 2. How cellular malfunctions lead to disease. Cellular dysfunction is a root cause of many diseases. This chapter examines common mechanisms that lead to disease. 2.1 Genetic mutations and inherited disorders. Mutations in DNA can result in defective proteins that disrupt cellular functions. Examples include 1. Cystic fibrosis. A mutation in the CFTR gene affects chloride ion transport, leading to thick mucus buildup. 2. Sickle cell anemia. A single mutation alters red blood cell shape, impairing oxygen transport. 3. Huntington's disease. A genetic mutation causes progressive neurodegeneration. 2.2 Cellular aging and its impact on disease. Aging affects cell function, leading to 1. Senescence. Cells lose their ability to divide, contributing to tissue degeneration. 2. Telomere shortening. Protective caps on chromosomes degrade, affecting DNA stability. 3. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Reduced energy production leads to metabolic disorders. 2.3 Environmental and lifestyle factors affecting cells. External factors can damage cells and contribute to disease development. 1. Smoking. Causes DNA damage and increases cancer risk. 2. Poor diet. Leads to obesity and metabolic diseases. 3. Pollution. Triggers oxidative stress and inflammation. Chapter 3. The connection between cells and chronic diseases. Several chronic diseases originate from cellular dysfunction. 3.1 Cancer. Uncontrolled cell growth. Cancer occurs when cells divide uncontrollably due to genetic mutations. Key aspects include 1. Oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes. Mutations activate cancer-causing genes while deactivating protective ones. 2. Metastasis. Cancer cells spread to distant organs. 3. Treatment strategies. Chemotherapy, radiation, and targeted therapy aim to kill cancerous cells. 3.2 Diabetes. The role of pancreatic beta cells. Diabetes results from insulin-producing beta cell dysfunction. 1. Type 1 diabetes. Autoimmune destruction of beta cells. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance and beta cell exhaustion. 3.3 Cardiovascular disease. Cellular damage in blood vessels. Atherosclerosis, a leading cause of heart disease, involves 1. Lipid accumulation in artery walls. 2. Inflammation and immune cell involvement. 3. Plaque rupture leading to heart attacks and strokes. 3.4 Neurodegenerative disorders. Neuronal dysfunction diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's stem from 1. Protein aggregation. Beta amyloid plaques in Alzheimer's. 2. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Affects neuronal energy supply. 3. Neuroinflammation. Chronic immune responses damage brain cells. 3.5 Autoimmune diseases. When cells attack themselves in autoimmune disorders, the immune system mistakenly targets healthy cells. 1. Rheumatoid arthritis, immune attack on joint tissues. 2. Multiple sclerosis, destruction of myelin in nerve cells. 3. Lupus, widespread immune system dysregulation. Chapter 4. The role of stem cells in regenerative medicine. Stem cells offer promising solutions for treating various diseases. 4.1 Types of stem cells. 1. Embryonic stem cells, pluripotent and can differentiate into any cell type. 2. Adult stem cells, found in tissues like bone marrow and have limited differentiation. 3. Induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, reprogrammed adult cells with embryonic-like properties. 4.2 Stem cell therapy in disease treatment applications include 1. Regenerating damaged tissues in heart disease. 2. Restoring insulin-producing cells in diabetes. 3. Replacing neurons in neurodegenerative diseases. Chapter 5. Breakthroughs in cellular biology and disease treatment. Recent advances are transforming disease management. 5.1 Gene therapy and CRISPR gene editing corrects defective genes to treat inherited disorders. 5.2 Immunotherapy, harnessing the immune system. 1. CAR T-cell therapy, engineered T-cells fight cancer. 2. Checkpoint inhibitors, boost immune responses against tumors. 5.3 Artificial cells and bioengineering innovations. 1. Lab-grown tissues for transplantation. 2. Synthetic cells for targeted drug delivery. Chapter 6. The future of cell-based disease prevention. The next frontier in medicine focuses on preventing cellular dysfunction. 6.1 Personalized medicine and precision treatments. 1. Genomic profiling to tailor treatments. 2. AI-driven predictions of disease risk. 6.2 The potential of nanotechnology in cell repair. 1. Nanodrugs targeting diseased cells. 2. Molecular nanobots for tissue repair. Conclusion: understanding cellular biology is crucial for combating diseases. Breakthroughs in stem cell therapy, gene editing, and regenerative medicine hold promise for transforming healthcare. As research advances, the ability to manipulate cells for disease prevention and treatment will shape the future of medicine, improving lives worldwide. Subscribe.